I come from a lineage, a musician, a music. Where we here now, in this radio station, I grew up in the radio station. My brother plays sound, champion sound. My family owns sound Carkill, gun. At the tender age of 13, I moved to Antigua, 1996. Warfare. Yeah, that was held by Paisendal, 2005. Yeah, Recreation Ground, Antigua Recreation Ground. That was my first clash. Champion League clash, Lock-Off Cup clash, Badder Than Cup clash, Canada Massacre. Me win it, Lock-Off the sound in Canada, Exile one, big sound. You know, so me is a warlord from Waryard. Me are the real warhead. When you see them sound, yeah, me compadres, me not gonna say nothing bad. I want them set the example and continue with the example to make Montserrat sound them rise.